Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Reno15 Pro, and today I will show you how we can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So, to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top right side of the screen, and somewhere in here we should have our Do Not Disturb mode visible. For me it is right over here, but if you don't see this toggle on any of the pages, you can click right here on this pencil, plus, and then find your toggle somewhere below here. When you find it, just click on it, it automatically gets added, and now you can just click right here, done, and the toggle stays here in this list. So once you find your Do Not Disturb mode, hold it at least the first time, and then select More Settings, and this will quickly take you to the actual settings. And here I'm not going to go over everything, just I'm going to touch upon a couple of the options. So the first one that I want to talk about is schedule mode. And here, if you click on it, you can create schedules. So we're going to create one, name it whatever you want, then select start time, end time, and then select which days of the week it will repeat at. Now I'm going to exclude Saturday and Sunday, and when you click on save, it automatically is toggled on. But obviously the mode isn't enabled just yet because it's not midnight. But at midnight it's going to automatically turn itself off, run till 9 AM I believe how I said it, and this only applies from Monday through Friday. So it just allows you to have it set automatically and you don't need to really do anything. And additionally, you can have multiple different schedules running at the same time. Now below that we have calls and messages. So here you can select who will call you and message you at the same time. This is a bit odd considering most devices actually separate these options, giving you a choice to have different settings for calls and different settings for messages. Here you have to choose same thing for both of those. And those options are no one, everyone, contacts, and favorite contacts. Now typically you also have, oh there we go, this option, so ring for repeated callers. So if someone calls you twice within a 3-minute period, they will bypass whatever you have selected right here. So anyway, that's really all the important information. It's a pretty limited settings page right here, so let's close it up. And whenever you want to use your Do Not Disturb mode manually, not basically excluding the schedule mode, just find a toggle, tap on it. First time around gets you this pop-up, turn on Do Not Disturb mode. In Do Not Disturb mode, you will only receive notifications for alarms, timers, and calendar events. Well, that's inaccurate considering you can change how calls and messages act, so those can be added here too as well. Anyway, we're going to select turn on. The box to not show this page again is enabled by default, so you won't get this pop-up again. Now when you're done using this mode, you can turn it off by tapping on a toggle for the second time, and you can do that same thing when it's on a schedule mode. So when schedule turns it on, you can tap on this toggle to turn it off. So there we go. That's about everything that there is to it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.